Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this reading is going to be about the career predictions for you in the month of July 2021. So you will get to know what's coming up for you in the month of July in your career, in your job or in your business. So go ahead and choose your pile. So this is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. Timestamps are given below in the description box that is linked to your specific reading. And if any of you are new to pick a card readings, so let me give you a brief introduction about how pick a card readings work. So you need to choose any one of these 3 piles. So let me repeat that again for you. So this is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So you can pause the video and meditate on the cards as long as you want. You need to go with your intuition and choose the pile number that draws your attention the most. So once you choose your pile, you can check the timestamps given below in the description box and skip the video to the timestamp where your readings begin. Also, I want to tell you that these are general readings, so there will be multiple messages for all of you, and your intuition will guide you which message is for you. So watch the readings till the end. And if there's anything that you don't like in these readings, then don't worry, because whatever is being said here can be changed by you. Nothing is 100% destined in this universe. Each one of us has the power to change it. So believe in yourself, and most importantly, believe in that one supreme power always. Also, I'm going to give you some time to meditate on the cards so that you can choose your pile. If you want more time, then you can pause the video. So let's begin with the meditation. Hello group number 1. So we have Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, the Tower, the Hermit, the World and Queen of Cups as your tarot cards. So with Ace of Cups, I really feel that a new opportunity is coming your way that is going to increase your finances, because aces are new beginnings, and whenever Ace of Pentacles shows up in any reading, it indicates some kind of financial increase or a new job opportunity. And with Knight of Cups being here, so knights are messengers. So as you can see, this person is holding a cup here and is actually offering this cup to someone. So this also confirms that a message or a proposal to increase your finances or a news of a new job opportunity might come to you that will help you to achieve your financial goals, that will help you to increase your finances. And with the Tower, I really feel that, so this card indicates your current situation. So maybe you are in this Tower moment now. So Tower is a card of destruction. So something might have shaken you up in your current situation, in your current job or in your current venture or business, and that has put you in this hermit mode. So this is actually a learning phase for you, so that will help you to get this right job opportunity or career opportunity for you. So your current situation is changing, and this opportunity is going to help you to accomplish all your desires, because World card represents accomplishments of your goals. So something might be coming up that will help you to increase your finances and to move to the next level of your career. And you can see in the Queen of Cups also, so this woman is holding a cup and it actually looks like a trophy here. So you will be reaping the results of your hard work now. And also Ace of Pentacles means that you will be making good financial decisions in the month of July, something that will be really rewarding for you. So financially and from the career perspective, this is going to be a transformation kind of month for you that will change your destiny. So let's add more cards here. So we have protect your dreams. You are the guardian of your precious dreams and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. And the next card is inspiration. Be prepared as you will soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call at any time. And the next card is life energy. The happy fairy of sunshine brings lots of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. So I think you will be inspired and you will have all the energies to protect your dreams, to work towards your dreams, to make them your reality. So the plans that you had been focusing on in the past, that you had been working on up till now, so those plans are going on the next level now. So you are achieving something better from the hard work that you had been doing up till now. Your hard work is reaping amazing fruits now. So let's add more cards here. So we have Owl Spirit. You can see clearly now. And Peacock Spirit reversed. So this is the time to have a clear vision of your goals and don't get distracted by any other thing. And with Peacock Spirit being reversed, I really feel that you should not be thinking about those things that distract you a lot. So you should not be thinking about what others are going to think about your plans. So maybe they won't agree with your plans as of now. It's okay. Just let it be. Still go ahead. Still execute your plans because achievement and accomplishment is there. And it's going to be really fruitful for you. So whatever is it that you are planning to pursue in this month, that is going to be fruitful. Plus, there is going to be some kind of financial gain is coming your way. Some kind of new opportunity, maybe any other source of income, maybe alternative source of income is coming your way. So maybe something that you had been waiting for might just show up to you, might just fructify. So you need to let go of all your worries. You need to let the light shine within you and through you. Let your talents come out. And also we have number 46 here. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So that adds to number 1 in numerology. So number 1 is all about the self-confidence. So move with self-confidence now. Or you will be moving with self-confidence. And we have number 43 here, so that adds to number 7 in numerology. So number 7 is all about the intuition. So your intuition is going to be really high. It's going to guide you towards the right direction. So listen to your intuition and execute whatever your intuition is telling you with full confidence. So that's all I have for you now, sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. I hope you have a fantastic July 2021. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I am also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. Please give your feedback in the comment section down below and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 2. So we have Nine of Swords, King of Swords, the Moon, the Hanged Man, the High Priestess, and Two of Pentacles as your tarot cards. So with Nine of Swords and King of Swords, I really feel that in the beginning of the month there will be a lot of pressure of work for you. So this King of Swords could indicate your boss, or it could be you who wants to be the best, who wants to beat the competition, who wants to be at the top of the game. So for that you might be having sleepless nights and you might be working really hard in the starting of the month, or maybe in the whole month of July. And even the moon also indicates the same thing, that you might be having sleepless nights. You might be following a very strict schedule, and that is going to give you a lot of knowledge, that is going to give you a lot of enlightenment, and you will be gaining a lot of experience. And with High Priestess, I really feel that you are going to explore your hidden talents. So as you can see, these are pomegranates. So I think whatever hard work you are going to put in the month of July, that is going to bring you a lot of fruits here. That is going to bring you a lot of great success and great achievements. And with Hanged Man, I really feel that you would be learning from your past. You would be learning a lot from your past work, from your past efforts. So you might be learning from your mistakes as well. And those mistakes from the past will actually going to help you gain a lot of knowledge, that will give you a lot of experience. And I think by the month end, things are going to get easier for you. So you would be enjoying your work, you might be having fun at your work. So things will get easier for you by the month end. So you will be eased out by the month end, and you will be enjoying all the efforts that you have put in the beginning of the month. So let's add more cards here. So we have Find Balance. Find the balance between your work, rest and playtime, and you will have more energy, harmony and productivity in your life. Take a power nap. And the next card is Purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it you will find the answer to your question. Moderation. Is there something you know you shouldn't be eating? Try to eat mindfully and healthily, although the fairies say that a little bit of what you fancy is fine. So with this card, I really feel that this card indicates that you will be exploring your hidden talents. You might be amazed of what you have got in you. So you are going to explore some hidden talents of yours. And with Find Balance and Moderation, I really feel that you need to take some time out for yourself as well, because the month is going to be really busy for you. So you might be having sleepless nights, but you need to take out time for yourself also, and be mindful of what you would be eating, and take care of your health as well. Take some time out for fun activities as well, because when you are working, you need some time to refresh, to rejuvenate yourself. Work is also important, plus you need some time for yourself also. So take care of yourself, take care of your health, and take care of what you are eating. And the next card we have is Frog Spirit. Clear out the clutter. And Spirit reversed. It says time to collaborate. Bat Spirit, a rebirth is assured. And Grasshopper Spirit, take a leap of faith. So we have number 28 here, so that adds to number 10, which is number 1 in numerology, and we have number 1 here, So this month is going to give you a lot of self-confidence. And with bad spirit, I really feel that you would be able to see the new version of yourself. You would be able to explore the enormous potential within you. And number 5 also indicates some kind of change. So some kind of change is also there. It could be in your personality. It could be in your work responsibilities, because we have 2 of Pentacles here. So this could mean you would be handling more than one responsibility. So you might be working on 2 different projects or more than 2 different projects. And that will help you to explore your hidden potential. And with take a leap of faith here, I think you should not be worrying about what's going to coming up in your future, because when you have faith in yourself, things does work out for you. And number 30 is actually number 3 in numerology. So number 3 is all about communication. So I think you should be focusing more on communication with the other people, because we have ant spirit as well. So ant spirits like work together. So you need to be very communicative with your colleagues, with the people whom you work. You would be needing their help. You would be needing their support. You cannot work alone. So be more expressive, be more communicative with the people with whom you are working. So that's all I have for you now. Sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. I hope you will have a fantastic July 2021. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account, where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. Please give your feedback in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 3. So we have 6 of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, the Star, King of Wands, 5 of Swords and 8 of Pentacles as your tarot cards. So with 6 of Wands, I feel that you will be receiving some kind of appreciation or recognition from your higher authority, or if you have your own venture, or if you are a business person, then your efforts are going to be rewarded. Then you will be achieving some kind of recognition or fame in your business. And the Star card also indicates some kind of fame. So fame and recognition is definitely on the cards for you. And you will be inspired a lot in this month towards your goals. And I think you will be at a very comfortable position in your work. Like you can see the woman is sitting on the throne, so you might be on a higher level, or you might be getting promoted to a higher level. And with King of Wands, I also feel that, so maybe this is for all those who are working on their own. Some new and exciting projects would come across, and that will give them a lot of fame, a lot of recognition, and that will help them to take their business to the next level. And with the 5 of Swords and 8 of Cups, I really feel that there might be people who might lie to you, or who might give you a lot of unhealthy competition. And you will be able to find the truth about those people who are not happy with the kind of work that you are doing, who are not happy with the recognition that you are gaining, who might be jealous of you. And you will be able to find who these people are. So that person could have their zodiac as one of the fire signs. So that is Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. And the person could have their zodiac sign as one of the earth signs. So that could be Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn. So beware of these people. Take care that they do not destroy the image that you have right now. So let's add more cards here. So we have manifestation. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on paper. Manifestation, step 1. and fairy spotting. It's time to go fairy spotting. It's said that seeing is believing, but in fact, the opposite is true. Believing is seeing. And celebration. So get ready to let your hair down and celebrate. It's time to go out to dance and play. An invitation could be on the way. So this could also mean that because you would be achieving a lot of success, achieving a lot of recognition in your career, so there will be a lot of celebration going on. And this could also mean that an invitation will come to you in your career that will lead to some kind of celebration. Like this could indicate actually the new opportunity. So a new opportunity could be related to your business or could be related to your job. It could be any other alternative source of income. So you are manifesting good things in this month. So with this card, I feel that you need to be very cautious of these people who does not want you to be on the top, who are jealous. So you have to be very careful about these people. So if you know these kind of people, then just be cautious, and your manifestation power is going to be really high in this month. So be careful of what you would be thinking, but most likely you would be manifesting a lot of good things in your life, in your career, in this month of July. So let's add more cards here. So we have Coyote Spirit, trust in divine detours. Koala Spirit, spirit has a plan. Cow Spirit, the miracles are endless. And Moth Spirit reversed, surrender now. So with number 16 here, so 1 plus 6 is 7. So number 7 is all about your intuition, and we have number 35 here. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So number 8 is all about success. So your intuition is going to guide you towards success. And we also have the miracles are endless and spirit has a plan. So things are going in your favor. So maybe these people who might be trying to hurt you in your professional life might not actually be able to do anything against you, but their truth will be revealed. And the miracles are endless. So there might be something coming up which will amaze you, which will surprise you, but in a good way. So trust in the universe. Whatever comes your way is going to actually benefit you. And with surrender now, I feel that you need to be honest. So whatever happens, if there are people who are not being honest with you, if there are people who are bullying you, who may be lying about you, who may be gossiping about you, so you need to be honest in whatever you are doing. You need to work with the purity that you have inside. Then those people are not going to harm you, because then the universe is going to support you. So universe doesn't like clever people. You have to defend yourself, but you don't have to hurt them. So be honest with yourself, be authentic with yourself, protect yourself, but do not harm the other people who are not in your favor, who might be envious to you. Because you need to trust the plan, because you need to trust the universe. And if things might go wrong, then they will turn in your favor. So that's all I have for you now. Sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. I hope you will have a fantastic July 20. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such Pekka card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. Please give your feedback in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care.